Lovely,
just...
lovely, lovely.
Oh, nice.
Lovely.
What's up, kitchen gangers? How y'all? To Moya Moy's kitchen, where cooking is love made edible. In our kitchen today, we will be preparing some Tostones burgers. They call them Tostones sliders, but Jamaicans, it is pressed green plantain, and we have some filling on the inside. So that's what we'll be preparing today, so stay tuned. So we have our lettuce, our tomatoes, we have our cheese, our green plantain, we have our mayonnaise, and we have our jerk chicken burger meat. So that's all you need for your tostones. Now the first thing you want to do is to prepare your plantain, and you're going to cut in 4, and I have a large plantain. Now to your hot oil, you're going to add your plantains, and you're going to fry until golden brown. Now you want to remove your plantain, and you're going to allow to drain for a minute or 2. Our burger meat, and you're going to fry your burger for about 2 to 3 minutes. Now if you have a grill, that would be good, but today we're using the frying method. Once your burger is done, you're going to top it and add your cheese, just so that your cheese can melt on top. And what you want to do is to use a flat surface to crush your plantain, and then I'm going to use the rolling pin just to flatten it. And yeah, so you're going to crush, right? So just like that. Put it in a napkin, and I'm going to use the rolling pin just to flatten it some more. Flatten the plantain some more. So it's just basically pretty simple. If you use a bottle, whatever you use, it can be done. So I'm just using the rolling pin just to flatten my plantain. So this is exactly how you want your plantains to look, and then you're going to deep fry again, and then you can add your salt and black pepper. Well, you're now going to refry your plantains. What you want to do is to add some salt and black pepper for taste on both sides of your plantain. It's now time to dress our burger, my favorite part. And what you want to do is to add your burger meat to your plantain. Then you're going to add your lettuce, right? To my lettuce, I'm going to add a little mayonnaise, right? It's up to you how much you want. Then you're going to add your tomato, and then I'm going to top it off with another plantain, fresh plantain, and then I'm going to use a skewer just to hold everything. We don't want anything too shaky. And there you have it, guys, your tostones Tostones slider slash burger, whatever you want to call it, done right here in Moya Moy's kitchen. Now show me some love up in that comment section. Tell me what next you want to see. Like, share, subscribe. This look good. No lie, this look nice. Now time to dig in, guys. The plantain, which is different as it relates to for a burger. Tastes good. Usually I'm indecisive, but this I'm sure. It's good. So it's like you have all this crunchiness right throughout, and that's what I love, because you have the fresh vegetables, you have the lettuce, the tomato, and then you have your plantain that makes it crunchy, but then you get into that burger meat and then it is soft. Perfect combination. It tastes real good. Now that's it for today, guys. Thank you so much for joining in and watching until the end. Big up your nice clean self. And guys, if you have not done so, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and leave a comment below, okay? Now guys, I'm on the road to 2,000 subscribers and I want to achieve this by the end of September. So help me, click that subscribe button and let's grow together. Until then, goodbye. By the way, stay safe.